Children listen. Now example 8.21 page number 78. If A vector is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 7 k cap and B vector equal to 6 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. Verify. There are two results we want to verify. First one, A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Listen carefully. A vector and A cross B. A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Result 1. Result 2. B vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Listen, what is the difference between these two subdivisions? First one, A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Second, B vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Here A cross B same. Here first one A vector, second one is B vector. That's all. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the condition for perpendicular? If the two vectors are perpendicular, then the condition, anyone? Very good. It's a dot product equal to 0. If the two vectors are perpendicular, then it's a dot product equal to 0. Okay. Which means we have to verify A vector dot A cross B equal to 0. Similarly, B vector and A cross B are perpendicular means it is enough to verify B vector dot A cross B equal to 0. Okay. Can you tell me what is step 1? Very good. First let us complete A cross B. Okay, first let us complete A cross B. Now take A cross B. Solution. A cross B is equal to A vector cross B vector is equal to. See, if the cross product is defined between the two vectors, then its result is given by determinant ijk. Determinant ijk. That's all. When the cross product is defined between the two vectors, then its result is given by determinant ijk. So determinant ijk, this ijk always fixed for all. Okay. First row ijk. Okay. Now consider here. Here first A vector, therefore A vector components second row. Next B vector components third row. Okay. First A vector components second row. What is A vector components? Listen. A vector minus 3, 4, minus 7. Minus 3. Okay. Minus 3, 4, minus 7. Next B vector components third row. Can you tell me what is the third row? 6, 2, minus 3. 6, 2, minus 3. Okay, now which is equal to? We know that expansion of the determinant. So plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus. Now, plus into I cap. So I cap into. Okay, start your answer. Forget its respective round column. Yes, 4 3s are 12, but minus 12. And in this direction, we have an extra minus. So minus into minus plus, so plus 14. So minus 12 plus 14. Minus 12 plus 14, moon bracket. Minus into j. So minus j cap into. Minus j cap into. Forget its respective row and column. Okay, cross multiply. Very good. 9. Okay. 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus. 9. 6 7s are 42. Already one minus. In this direction, always we have one minus. So minus into minus plus. So 9 plus 42. 6 7s are 42. 9 plus 42. 9 plus 42. Moon bracket. Plus into k cap. Plus k cap into. Now forget its respective row and column. What is your answer? Yes. Minus 6 minus 24. Okay. Minus 6 minus 24. Minus 6 minus 24. 24 minus 12 equal to? Yes, 2. So 2 I cap. So which is equal to 2 I cap. Okay, next. 42 plus 9? Yes, 51. 51 minus into minus j. So minus 51j. Okay. Minus 24 minus 6. Yes, minus 30. Minus 30 into k. So minus 30 k cap. Whose left hand side is A vector cross B vector. Okay. A cross B is equal to. A cross B ready. Again listen. First we complete A cross B. Now I want to verify A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. It is enough to verify? Yes, dot product equal to 0. Now I want to verify A vector dot A cross B. Now listen. Now A vector cross B. Okay. See, perpendicular condition is dot product equal to 0. Okay. So A vector dot A cross B. Okay, which is equal to now A vector dot A cross B. Okay, listen. Here A vector, alone one vector. So which is A vector? Okay, this moon bracket fully one vector. which is just before answer. So A cross B. Where is A cross B? Yes, A cross B. It is A cross B answer. Middle relation is dot product. Okay, now start. Listen. A vector dot A cross B. That's all. A vector dot A cross B. What is A vector? Listen. Here, first A vector and the second A cross B. That's all. Very simple. Okay, first A vector. Minus 3, 4, minus 7. So A vector equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 7 K cap dot A cross B. What is A cross B? 2 minus 51 minus 30. That is 2 I cap minus 51 J cap minus 30 K cap. Okay, that's all. Okay, here after yourself. Start your answer. Yes, very good. If the dot product is defined between the two vectors means itself multiplication, it is enough to multiply only the coefficient. That means I to I. So minus 3 2s are, that is I to I possible. 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6. Next one, J to J. Very good. Plus into minus, minus. And 4 into 51. 4 into 51, that is 4 50s are 200. And 4 into 1, 4. So 204. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 204. Okay, next. Minus, see. Next K to K. Next K to K. Minus into minus plus 7 into 30. 7 3s are 21. That means 210. So plus 210. Who's left hand side? Which is equal to minus 6 minus 204. Very good. That is minus 210. Already plus 210. Which is equal to plus 210 minus 210 cancel. Your answer is 0. What is 0? Yes. A vector dot A cross B. A vector dot A cross B equal to 0. Therefore, A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Okay, result 1 completed. Okay, so which is first A cross B is common. Now let it be, which is result 1. Now I want to verify result 2. Okay, to verify what is the result 2 condition? Yes, B vector dot A cross B equal to 0. I want to prove. Okay, now start. The same idea. B vector dot A cross B. Okay, which is equal to B vector dot A cross B. Okay, listen. B vector dot A cross B. So first B vector, second A cross B. What is B vector? Yes, B vector equal to 6 I cap. B vector is equal to 6 I cap. Not first place. Okay, B vector is first. 6 I cap. Okay, second plus 2 J cap minus 3 K cap. 3 K cap. Because first B vector completed. Now A cross B. Okay, what is A cross B? Already A cross B we written here. A cross B, A cross B. So 2 I cap minus 51 J cap minus 30 K cap. Okay, which is equal to. Okay, yourself. Very good. See, if the dot product is defined between the two vectors, itself multiplication. It is enough to multiply only the coefficient, which means I to I. Yes, 6 to 12. Next, J to J. Very good. That is plus into minus, minus 2 into 51. So minus 102. Minus 102. Next, K to K. Minus into minus plus 3 into 30 equal to 90. So which is 90. Now, which is equal to 12 minus 102 equal to, yes, very good, minus 90. Already plus 90. So which is equal to 0 because plus 90 minus 90 cancel. Okay, what is 0? Yes, that is, which is, what is 0 means B vector dot A vector cross B vector equal to 0. Okay. Now can you tell me the result? Yes. If the dot product equal to 0, then the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, B vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, B vector and A vector cross B vector are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. Okay, it's very simple. Listen, this question is very simple. Prove that A vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Also prove that B vector and A cross B are perpendicular to each other. Okay, it's answer. Example 22. Find the vectors of magnitude 6. Find the vectors of magnitude 6 which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Listen the keyword again. Find the vectors of magnitude 6 which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Okay, listen, we know that the perpendicular unit vector to both A vector and B vector is given by, very good, plus or minus n cap equal to plus or minus A cross B divided by modulus A cross B, where unit vectors are coefficient 1. But here, magnitude 6. See, it is of the form magnitude lambda. See, listen the formula. The vectors of magnitude 6 which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector is given by plus or minus lambda into n cap. Plus or minus lambda into n cap is equal to plus or minus lambda into A cross B divided by modulus A cross B. Listen the technique, no modulus by total modulus, where lambda equal to 6. We can frame the formula directly. Listen, the vectors of magnitude 6 which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector is given by plus or minus 6 into n cap equal to plus or minus 6 into A cross B divided by modulus A cross B. Okay, formula ready. Now, what is the working rule? Anyone? Yes. First complete A cross B. First let us complete A cross B. Listen, it is very simple. A vector cross B vector is equal to, okay, when the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its result is given by determinant IJK. Okay. So, if the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its result is given by determinant IJK. Determinant IJK. First row always fixed. Determinant IJK. Okay, can you tell me what is second row? Yes, A vector components in second row. Okay, A vector second row means 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1 3. Yes. Next, second B vector. So B vector components in third row. Okay, minus 2, 1 minus 2. Minus 2, 1 minus 2. Now just expansion. Yes, very good. Plus, minus, plus. Plus into I cap. I cap into yourself. Forget its respect to your own column. Yes, very good. Minus into minus plus 2. So in this direction always one minus. So minus into minus plus 2, and here 1 3 is 3 but minus 3 because in this direction always one minus. So 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Yes. Minus into j. Minus j cap into. Okay, minus j cap into. Forget its respect to your own column. Yes, yourself. Very good. Minus 8 plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6. Okay, next. Say, then term is plus into k cap. Is plus k cap into. Forget, it's row and column. Okay, very good. 4 minus 2. Because minus into minus plus, already one minus. So therefore, minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Complete. Okay, which is equal to. Yes, what is the first mode bracket? Very good, minus 1. Minus 1 into I cap. So minus I cap. Next, here, yes, minus 2. Minus into minus, plus. So plus 2 j cap. Next, last one. Very good, 4 minus 2, 2. So 2 k cap. So 2 k cap, whose left hand side is A vector cross B vector. Box it. Okay, first let us complete A cross B. Completed. Okay. Now, the formula is 6 into, that is plus or minus 6 into n cap equal to plus or minus 6 into n cap equal to 6 into, that is plus or minus 6 into A cross B by modulus A cross B. So A cross B ready. Now I want to find modulus A cross B. That means magnitude. So now modulus A vector cross B vector is equal to modulus A cross B is equal to square root of sum of the squares of IJK coefficients. Okay, what is IJK coefficients? Minus 1 to 2. So minus 1 double square plus of 2 the whole square plus of, yes, 2 the whole square, which is equal to square root of, yes, 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, which is equal to, very good, root 9. Okay, square root of 9 equal to, yes, 3. Whose left hand side is modulus A cross B. Okay, which is what we said. Step 1, A cross B. Step 2, modulus A cross B. Okay, step 3 is a formula. Can you tell me the formula? Yes. The vectors of magnitude 6, which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, is given by plus or minus 6 into n cap equal to plus or minus A cross 6 into A cross B divided by modulus A cross B. Now I want to write formula directly. Now listen. The vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors. Vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors. The vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors of magnitude 6, which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Which are perpendicular to both. Which are perpendicular to both. Perpendicular to both A vector and B vector is given by. The vectors of magnitude 6, which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, is given by the formula. Plus or minus 6 into n cap, which is equal to plus or minus 6 into n cap. Now listen. Plus or minus 6 into, okay, plus or minus 6 into, one can write square bracket for my convenience, okay? Plus or minus 6 into n cap. What is n cap? Very good. N cap is equal to A cross B divided by modulus A cross B. Okay, that's all. This is the technique. A cross B, A cross B. A cross B, A cross B. What is the difference? Very good. No modulus by total modulus. Now just a substitution, which is equal to plus or minus 6 into. Okay, what is A cross B? Yes, A cross B equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So A cross B equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, divided by modulus A cross B. What is modulus A cross B? Yes, which is equal to 3. Yes, 3. Complete the bracket. Now, yes, one can simplify. Okay, how to simplify? Yes, very good. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So, plus or minus 2 into. Okay, so which is equal to plus or minus 2 of minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap complete. Okay, what is left hand side? Yes, the same thing you want to write. That is the vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors of magnitude 6. The vectors of magnitude 6, which are perpendicular to. Which are perpendicular to. Which are perpendicular to. Yes. Which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector is given by. The vectors of magnitude 6, which are perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, is given by the answer plus or minus 2 of minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So hence the answer. Okay, thank you. Children, listen. Example 23. Find the cosine and the sine angle between. Find the cosine and the sine angle, which means find the cosine and the sine angle between A vector and B vector. Find the cosine and the sine angle between the vectors A vector and B vector. Okay, listen. Find the cosine angle between A vector and B vector. Okay, can you tell me what is cosine? Yes, very good, very good. So forget I-N-E, that is cos. See, find the cosine means we want to find cos theta. Yes. See, angle between A vector and B vector is given by the formula cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Okay, first case over. Here it is part 1, it is part 2. There are two parts. Okay. Second, sine angle. Sine angle means, yes, sine theta. Here, sine angle means sine theta. For sine theta, we want to use, yes, cross product. For cos theta, use a dot product. For sine theta, use cross product. Can you tell me formula for sine theta? Yes. Sine theta is equal to modulus A vector cross B vector divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. That means sine theta equal to total modulus by separate modulus. Okay, formulas ready. Okay, now part 1, part 2. Listen, part 1, part 2. There are two questions. There are two questions are there. Okay, listen, first one. First one, to find cos theta, first I want to find A vector dot B vector. Okay, A vector dot B vector. First, initially, A vector is equal to, okay, what is A vector? 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, next B vector. B vector is equal to 4i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, now remember the formula. Cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Write directly formula. Let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector. Let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector. A vector and B vector. Okay? Let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector is given by the formula cos theta. Listen. Cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. For cos ratio, use dot product. Okay. Now, which is equal to? It is very simple. Now, listen. A vector dot B vector divided by modulus A vector equal to square root of sum of the squares of ijk coefficients. Modulus B vector equal to square root of sum of the squares of ijk coefficients. Very good. Now next step, yourself. What is first one? Yes, A vector. A vector equal to 2, 1, 3. That means 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, second, B vector. What is B vector? Yes, B vector equal to 4 minus 2, 2. That is 4i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, divided by modulus A vector. Very good. Modulus A vector equal to square root of sum of the squares of ijk coefficients. Here 2. So 2 the whole square plus of 1 the whole square plus of 3 the whole square. Okay, next step. Yes, modulus B vector. Modulus B vector equal to square root of, yes, 4 the whole square plus of minus 2 the whole square plus of 2 the whole square. Okay, it's continuation. Now listen. Cos theta equal to, yes, cos theta equal to, come to numerator. Yes, if the dot product is defined between the two vectors, itself multiplication. Itself multiplication means I to I. Yes, 2 4s are 8. Okay, numerator is 8. Next, j to j. Okay, plus into minus, minus. Very good. Minus 2. Next, k to k. Yes, 3 2s are 6. K to k. 3 2s are 6 plus 6. Okay, divided by square root of. What is square root of denominator? Yes, one can write it directly. Yes, 2 square, 4 plus 1 plus 9. 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 Extend root. Into root of. Extend divide. Okay, into root of. 16 plus. Very good. 4 plus 4. Very good. So, 16 plus 4 plus 4. Now, which is equal to yourself? Very good. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Yes, your answer is correct. Numerator 12 divided by. Yes, very good. Root 14. So 10 plus 4, root 14. Into root. Okay, here. Very good. Very good. Root 24. So root 24. Now simplification yourself. Okay, how to simplify anyone? R. Yes. That is, here root 14 is equal to root 2 into root 7. Okay, root 2 into root 7. Here, any idea? Yes, this can be rewritten as, suppose 24 is equal to 6 4s are 24. Otherwise, some other idea, 6 4s are 24. We can simplify like that. 6 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Now listen, numerator 12. 12 divided by, this can be rewritten as root 2 into root 7. Okay, into, because 2 7s are 40. Okay, this 24 can be rewritten as 4 6 are 24. Root 4 into root 6. Okay, root 4 into root 6. Root 4 into root 6. Okay, further simplification, that is how to verify your answer? Yes, 2 7s are 14. Yes, root 14. Here, 4 6 are 24. Yes, 24. Now your answer is very good, which is equal to 1 divide 12. Here, denominator root 2 into root 7. And root 4 is equal to, yes, 2. So, into 2 into root 6. Okay, simplification. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. One can simplify like that. Okay, now next step. Very, very good. This numerator 6 can be rewritten as root 6 into root 6. Okay, now listen, its continuation. Its continuation is given by cos theta is equal to. Cos theta is equal to, this numerator 6 can be rewritten as root 6 into root 6. Here, 1 root 6 and the root 6 cancel, and the remaining is given by 1 root 6 divided by root 2 into root 7. Also, that root 6 again can be rewritten as root 2 into root 3. Okay, likewise. Okay, first of all, 6 equal to, 6 can be rewritten as root 6 into root 6 divided by denominator root 2 into root 7 into root 6. So, root 2 into root 7 into root 6. First of all, root 6 cancel. Okay, which is equal to yourself. Yes, very good. This root 6 again can be rewritten as root 2 into root 3 because 2 3s are 6. So, root 2 into root 3 divided by root 2 into root 7. Now, root 2 cancel is equal to root 3 divided by root 7. Okay, can you tell me next step? Yes, this is separate root, one can put the whole root. So, which is equal to square root of 3 by 7. The whole square root of 3 by 7. So, this root belongs to both numerator, also denominator. What is left hand side? Cos theta. Therefore, the cosine angle answer. The cosine angle answer is given by cos theta equal to square root of root 3 by root 7. This root should cover all the portion. This root should cover all the portion. That is very important. Okay. Part 1 completed. So now I want to continue part 2. Okay. Children listen. Now part 2. Part 2 is given by sine angle formula. Okay. See, that is sine theta is equal to, can you tell me what is sine theta? Very good. For sine theta you want to use cross product. Sine theta equal to modulus A cross B divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Okay. What is the working rule? Yes. First complete A cross B. That is very important. So listen, part 2. So A vector cross B vector is equal to, if the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its resultant is given by, yes, determinantIjk. So A cross B is equal to determinant Ik. Determinant Ik. Okay. Now A vector. First A vector coefficient second row. What is second row? Yes, 2 1 3. 2 1 3. Next. Okay, second B vector. B vector coefficients third row. What is third row? Yes, 4 minus 2 2. 4 minus 2 2. Now expansion yourself. Very good. So which is equal to plus minus plus. Plus into I cap into. Okay, start yourself. Very good. Forget its respective row and column. Very good. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Very good. Next, minus into j. Minus j into. Forget its respective row and column. Yes. 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12. Very good. Plus k cap. Plus k cap into. Forget its respective row and column. Can you tell me answer? Yes. Minus 4. Minus 4. Very good. Minus 4. Minus 4. Simplification yourself. Yes, very good. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 into I cap. So, 8 I cap. Yes, very good. Minus 8. Minus into minus, plus. Plus 8 j cap. Plus 8 j cap. Okay, here. Very good. Minus 8 cap. That is minus 4 addition. So, minus 8 into k cap. Minus 8 k cap. What is left side? Yes, A vector cross B vector. A cross B completed. Listen again. Remember the formula. Sin theta is equal to modulus A cross B divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Okay. Listen again. Step 1, A cross B. Step 2, modulus A cross B. Step 3, modulus A vector. Step 4, modulus B vector. Then write formula. Okay, listen. Now, step 1 completed. Can you tell me step 2? Yes, modulus A cross B. Modulus A vector cross B vector is equal to square root of, yes, sum of the squares of ijk coefficients. Okay, 8. So, 8 to the whole square plus of 8 to the whole square plus of minus 8 to the whole square. Okay, yourself, which is equal to square root of, very good, 64 plus 64 plus 64. 64 plus 64 plus 64 plus 64. Very good. Plus 64. Okay, which is equal to, yes, 64 plus 64 plus 64 is of the form x plus x plus x equal to 3x. Likewise, so 3 times of 64. So, which is equal to square root of 3 times of 64. Okay, is equal to, separately, you want to consider root 3 into root 64. Okay, root 64 equal to 8. Very good. So, 8. And these 3 are still root itself. So, 8 root 3. Your answer will be 8 root 3, whose left hand side is modulus A vector cross B vector. So, modulus A vector cross B vector equal to 8 root 3. Modulus A vector cross B vector is equal to 8 root 3. Okay, listen again. Step 1, A cross B. Step 2, modulus A cross B. Step 3, modulus A vector. Step 4, modulus B vector. Step 5, sin theta is equal to modulus A cross B divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector, which is formula. Now listen. Now next step, modulus A vector. Modulus A vector is equal to square root of, yes, square root of, very good, 2 the whole square plus 1 the whole square plus 3 the whole square. So, 2 the whole square plus of 1 the whole square plus of 3 the whole square. Okay, which is equal to square root of yourself, very good, 4 plus 1 plus 9. 4 plus 1 plus 9, which is equal to square root of, very good, that is 14, root 14, already available answer. Okay, which is modulus A vector. Next part, modulus B vector is equal to square root of, yes, sum of the squares of ijk coefficients. That is 4 minus 2, 2. That is 4 the whole square plus of minus 2 the whole square plus of 2 the whole square. Yes, simplification yourself. Very good. 4 square, 16 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to root 24. Okay, which is modulus B vector. So, modulus A vector is equal to root 14. Modulus A vector equal to root 14. Modulus B vector equal to root 24. Okay, now what is next step? Very good. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to modulus A cross B divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. So, which is a formula. Here I have no place to, so I want to write in right hand side. Okay. Now listen. Now let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector. Let theta be the, yes, let theta be the angle between, let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector. Let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector. Okay. Then what is the sine formula? Yes, sine theta. Sine theta is equal to, very good, modulus A cross B divided by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Okay, how to recall the formula? Very good. total modulus by separate modulus. Okay. Now, which is equal to long divided. What is numerator? Modulus A cross B. Where is modulus A cross B? Modulus A cross B equal to 8 root 3. So modulus A cross B is equal to 8 into root 3 divided by modulus A vector. Modulus A vector equal to, very good, root 14. Next, modulus B vector equal to, yes, root 24. Now, which is equal to numerator. That is 8 root 3, you write as it is. Next, this root 14 can be rewritten as, yes, root 2 into root 7. And this root 24 can be rewritten as, very good, that is root 4 into root 6. After we can simplify. Okay, now remember, 8 root 3 divided by root 2 into root 7 into root 24 equal to 4 6 are 24. Therefore, root 4 into root 6. Now, which is equal to 8 root 3 divided by root 2 into root 7. And what is root 4? Yes, root 4 equal to 2. So, root 4 is equal to 2 into root 6. Okay, root 6 equal to, very good, root 6 is equal to root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Yes. Now, here after yourself. Very good. Root 3 cancel. Okay, next step. Good. That is 1 2 is to 4 2s are 8. So the numerator is 4 available. Okay. Now again denominator 4 divided by root 2 into root 2 into root 7. Okay. Here can tell me what is root 2 into root 2? Yes, 2. Because root x into root x is equal to x. Likewise, root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So which is equal to 4 divided by root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Into already available root 7. Okay. Remember, suppose this is the formula, root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. Okay, which is rough work. Now next step, yourself, very good. 1 2 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. Your answer is, very good, 2 by root 7. What is 2 by root 7? Very good, sine theta is equal to 2 by root 7. Now I want to write question to answer, that is sine theta is equal to 2 by root 7. Boxing. So this question really, there are two parts. So that is, find cosine angle, that means cos theta equal to a vector divided by modulus a vector into modulus b vector. Find sine angle means sine theta is equal to modulus a cross b divided by modulus a vector into modulus b vector. That is sine theta equal to total modulus by separate modulus. So hence the answer. And similar sums available in exercise 8.4 that left for you as homework.